apparently I wasn't paying attention to the time of that video. So this is part 3. We were just admiring this bow clasp on this dainty pearl necklace that I will be keeping. Okay, we have these hoops, or teardrop earrings. Raindrop. I always say teardrops, probably because I'm sad. Ah, that's cute. Okay, this feels really dirty. I will have to clean that if I keep it. It's a turtle. Is this a bracelet? It is. Okay, whatever. Very pretty. I'm gonna keep it. Probably not gonna keep this. I just don't do plasticky. I don't know what to call that. We got another one of these. Oh, this one has one of those chain things. I don't like those. But it's okay. Oh. Okay. That just goes on your wrist. I wonder if there's supposed to be stuff that goes like in there. I don't know. Oh yeah. I'm definitely gonna wear that. This is pretty long. Damn. I do like that though. Those beads are really nice. Yeah. Oh, ooh. I don't know why I put that on my face. The beads are cold. I don't know what that means. Like it's just metal. I would keep that. Just some beads. I have so many like that I have kept. Okay. Oh my gosh, what's happening? I don't think I would wear that. So it's going over there. We've got another one of these. I did keep the last one, and I'm gonna keep that one too. Okay, we have another watch. The watches in here have been so cute. They just don't fit me like that. It's just not gonna work out. It's okay. I do like that though. That is beautiful. Can you see the purple in there? That is so pretty. I hope there's a match. There better be a match to that. Okay. This thing is chunky and I'm assuming magnetic because stuff was sticking to it. There's no way. I don't think... I would not wear... I think these are cool though. Yeah. Very cool. That's pretty. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Oh yeah. Okay, this isn't gonna fit on my wrist, but it will fit on my ankle, I hope. And if not, then maybe you'll see it in a jewelry jar. Okay, this thing is teeny tiny and dainty. I need to untangle it. Okay, that would take me like 3 years to untangle, so... A cross. I like it. I love it. What is that? Is it a cat? I don't know, but it's a clip-on. A matching cuff thing. This is cute. B. I'm not a bee. Sometimes. Oh, these match one of those bangles. That looks literally just like that. It was probably the first bangle I showed. Look at that. They go together. Holy moly. I do like the beads though. I'm not gonna do it. I refuse. I don't know, but I'm not gonna keep that. Yes. A match. Those are beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy watching these as much as I love making these. What is going on there? Wait, is it supposed to? Maybe it's supposed to droop out. I don't know. Okay, I don't even know where I would wear that. Okay, we have matching. I have a brain fart. Ah, no. I'll be back. I gotta charge my light. And I'm also gonna do a refill while I'm doing that, because that's all part of the jewelry jar. It's been like 2 hours and my light is still not charged all the way, but I'm ready for bed. Like, I'm so tired and I have so much. That's really cool. What is that? It's an eyeball. And it doesn't fit my fingers, so I'm not keeping it. Here is the match to these earrings I'm not keeping. Oh. I don't think I'm gonna keep that. We have another watch. There's a ton of watches in this jar. That is really pretty. They'd never fit me though when they're around my wrists because I have really small wrists. Yeah, it's very loose. So I'm not gonna keep it. Okay. I think I got a necklace like this in another jar, and oh yeah, it says Scorpio on it on the back. That must be like your star sign, I'm thinking. And I'm a Virgo. Oh, okay. These earrings match this bracelet. I'm not gonna keep that. Is this a watch? It fits, but wait, what is this? It is a watch. I don't like those colors, so I won't keep it. Ugh, that fit me too. Another bagger. Oops. Oh, these are earrings. Oh no. Okay. We have these earrings. I will keep those. I think there's another earring. I wouldn't wear that one, but the other one just dropped in here.